So its first method to come to gigabyte.com, you can see here www.gigabyte.com. You can see here in the right side search button, and then type model number of your motherboard B860M Eagle plus WIFI6E, then hit enter. Then you can see here the product, so click on that. So you can see here two type versions, 2.0 and 2.1. So both installations process same. Okay, select any which is you are using, select that. After that, installation process all same 100%. Okay, you can follow that video and you can install any other versions, 2.0 and 1.0 any. Okay, then click to support. You can see here the operating system Windows 10 and 11. I am using Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. Okay, and if you know about your operating system, you can select all and then install. Okay, LAN driver, and click to download. Then after downloaded, just single click to open the file and double click to exe. Then yes, now you can see here the LAN driver is installing. Then it is close means done.